I'm meteorologist Todd Clausen. Thanks for joining us on HTSN. Yesterday turned out to be a decent day in the afternoon. We got into partly cloudy skies, and once we did see that sunshine, the temperatures climbed into the 80s. 83 in Indianapolis, 84 was the high temperature in Terre Haute. Got up to 83 in Lafayette. I think today potentially going to be a few degrees warmer across the area. As highs should top off right around 85 degrees. But today we will be dealing with more in the way of storm activity as we go into the afternoon and evening hours as a cold front comes through. But as that cold front comes through, that is going to set us up for a great stretch of weather heading into the latter half of the week with pleasant days and cool nights. What I mean by that is our afternoon highs will be right around 80 degrees, which are a few degrees below normal, and our nights we'll have low temperatures in the 50s, so we'll be able to give the air conditioners a bit of a break here and open up the windows and not only let the cooler air in, but it's also going to be less humid air as well. But today, we're still on the muggy side. Your high temperature tops off at 85 degrees. Some of the storms as we go throughout the afternoon and into the evening hours could potentially be on the strong to severe side, but I do think most of the storms end by about 6 o'clock. So by 8 o'clock, we're just dealing with partly cloudy skies and temperatures that'll start to cool off into the upper 70s. So let's time these storms out for you. Again, this cold front is going to be passing through during the peak heating of the day. So that means that's when the storms are really going to start to flare up. So through the noon hour, I think we're just fine. Storms will be on an isolated basis at 1 o'clock. By 5 o'clock, they're shifting further south and east of the metro area. And again, we're not expecting widespread severe weather, but a few of these storms could be on the strong side. And by 8 o'clock, that front is down to the south. We'll take the storms out of the forecast, and then we'll start to usher in the cooler and also less humid air. So once we get beyond today, take a look at this stretch of weather. We'll have lots of sunshine. Tomorrow, 77 degrees for the high temperature, 80 on Thursday, 81 degrees for the high temperature on Friday. And all three of these days, again, contain low humidity as well. So highs today top off from 85 in Indianapolis to 87 in Bloomington, 83 in Peru, and then overnight tonight going down into the 50s to right around 60 degrees for the overnight low. And here's a look at your 7-day planning forecast. 77 Wednesday, in the 80s for Thursday and Friday. Saturday, there's a chance of a few isolated thunderstorms in the forecast. It will not be an all-day washout, 78 degrees. And then as we head into race day on Sunday for the Brickyard 400, right now it's looking very nice and temperatures well below normal with a high temperature of 77 and lots of sunshine, and then back up to near 80 degrees on Monday.